If you're an OG subscriber of mine, you probably know already that I color manga panels and post it on YouTube, Instagram, and even on my Pinterest account. Since I'm not getting any orders from Fiverr and Upwork, might as well try my luck here. If ever you have your favorite panel and want it to be colored, DM me on my Instagram account. No worries, because I will only charge $1 as starting price per manga panel, and the mode of payment will be on Gcash. I hope this won't flop, as the income will help me a lot since my YouTube channel weren't monetized. By the way, payment first policy. No worries, I won't run away since you guys all know my email, Instagram, and even my Pinterest account. PS, please no to scammer. Thank you.
We could drive along an ocean.
やめだ路上を悟るまあなカンチンかっけえだろかまど炭治郎ねずこちゃん走りは伊之助だ戦えアルミンアルレックです翔太爆豪勝樹日向翔陽です影山豊西野屋だうるせえんだよあんたすごいや醸造です細巻誠内葉佐助春菜さくら